Hey guys, I'm Shivagi Dutt and today I'm going to create a glam makeup look on my beautiful model. So we can see that she's got some acne breakouts and some pigmentation around her lips. So we're going to be working on that. I'm starting by hydrating her face with a gel-based moisturizer, and now I'm going in with a pore filling moisturizer which is kind of going to even out her skin tone and help the acne. Then we're just color correcting with an orange corrector, and now I'm just matching the shade of her foundation so that it doesn't look too yellow. I'm going over all over her face and it's suiting her skin really well. And now we're doing the highlighting on the under eyes and T-zone areas. I used a concealer that was slightly on the pinkish tone so that it neutralizes any yellowness made from the foundation. For contouring, I'm working on her nose so that it looks natural yet super slim. And now, of course, my favorite part of applying the blusher. For this look, I'm not applying any blusher on the apples of her cheeks so that her face looks lifted. Then I just set it all in and leave some loose powder on the under eyes. Just setting the brows in place and then starting with the eye makeup. I'm applying a light shade of eye base, which will kind of highlight the colors that we're going to be using. For this eye makeup, I'm starting by carving out the crease line smoothly with a light color, and then I will go in with a darker shade, or you can use an eyeliner or an eye pencil if you have one. To make the colors more vivid, you can use an eyeshadow. I used a purple eyeshadow and now I'm diffusing it with a lilac shade so that it looks more blended and soft. Now I'm using similar techniques on the eyeliner part, wherein I used a purple eyeliner and then I start blending it out. You can decide how big you want the wing. So I made the wing a little bit thick and I'm using concealer to narrow it down and make it a little bit slimmer, as you can see now. And now that we have the crease ready, I'm just using a little bit of a pigment from a Huda Beauty palette. I'm now applying a darker shade on the eyeliner so that it creates more dimension and lifts up the eyes more. It'll also help in when we apply the eyelashes in making the eyelashes look more blended. I'm applying kajal using a thin brush. Now that we're done with the eye makeup, I can move on to the face and add some highlighter, some blusher. I also used a lilac highlighter, which went really well with her skin tone. For her lips, I started by overlining her lips with a cream contour. It was fairly dark, but then I blended it in with a lip shade which was slightly lighter, and in the center of her lip, I used a pink eyeshadow which added a really beautiful effect. Then I'm just finishing the lash line so that it looks neater. Finishing spray, and we are done. Ta-da! I'm just finishing some gloss, which is what I like to do at the end, right before we take photos and videos, so that the gloss doesn't leak or, it doesn't move away. And I think she looks really, really stunning. So let me know what you think about this look, guys. I really like how the pigments showed up. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and share it and subscribe to our channel for more looks and more such videos. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you very, very soon.